Hey guys, it's Devin, aka Gear 3D. I just wanted to take a minute to show you guys how the 3D printed FDM version of my keycaps sound, because I know sound's really important in terms of keyboards, because you obviously don't want to be using a keyboard with keycaps that don't sound good to you or like that annoy you, because that would kind of suck. So I'm gonna just take a minute to show you how they all sound. So that's how the different 3D printed keycaps sound. The light there was I hit my SteelSeries key, which lights up my macros. If you're interested in these files, there will be links in the description, as well as a link to my Cult 3D page, which is where they are uploaded, and also my Twitter if you want to check that out, because I do project updates, though sometimes they're few and far between because I get distracted with school and stuff. Thank you for checking out this video. See you next time.